This is the Meet the Shapes DVD. It's also part of the Preschool Prep series. It's in both English and Spanish. It has the Circle character on the front. This character's name is Circle. And when children watch this video, the only thing that this character will tell you is its name, which is Circle. And children will very quickly realize that when they see this shape, its name is going to be Circle. And they'll learn their shapes very quickly. This video got DVD of the Year by Creative Child Magazine, along with a lot of other awards. Let's see, this one is the Family Choice Award winner, and DVD of the Year by Creative Child Magazine, which we just talked about. Informal Educational Products Product of the Year Award. This character's name is Diamond, and let's turn it over and see the back. It says, "Learning shapes has never been so much fun. Children will fall in love with these wonderful characters as they meet the shapes. Children who watch Meet the Shapes can easily learn to identify and name 8 common shapes. Preschool Prep Series DVDs have won over 100 awards and are used in millions of homes and schools around the world. You will be amazed at what your little one can learn." You can see here that the shape will start out just black, like you would just see the shadow of the shape, and then it morphs into a color that's going to be the same color as the character, and then it morphs into the character. This character's name is Star. And this character will do a cute scene, and children will know that the next time that they see this, it's going to turn into their favorite character named Star. It shows you the bonus features. You can choose the barn dance, where you see all of your favorite shapes dancing. You can dance with the shapes. You can select that menu item, and you can pick a shape and you can dance with that shape. And it also has video flashcards, which all of these DVDs have. And it features circle, diamond, octagon, oval, rectangle, square, star, and triangle. When you open it up, you have the DVD inside, and it has the triangle character on the front. The runtime is approximately 30 minutes. And over here you can see all of the Meet the Shapes products. The workbook, Meet the Shapes has a section in the workbook. The coloring book, flashcards, board book, and Lift the Flat book. And there's triangle as well. Let's take the disc out, and you can see an ad for Meet the Math Bags inside. It also gives you a phone number where you can call and order more products, 866-451-5600, or go to www.preschoolprepco.com.